Hey there, welcome to Tekzoid. Today, let's break down AT&T Next Up, a phone upgrade program designed to keep you on the latest tech without the long wait. What is AT&T Next Up? AT&T Next Up is an optional upgrade feature you can add to your monthly phone installment plan. It allows you to upgrade your smartphone early, as soon as you've paid off 50% of your device cost. Instead of waiting the full 36 months, Next Up gives you flexibility, especially if you love having the newest phone each year. How does AT&T Next Up work? Here's the breakdown. Add Next Up for $6 per month on top of your regular installment plan. Once you've paid off half the phone's cost, you can return your current phone and upgrade to a new one. Your old phone must be in good working condition, with no major cracks or damage. It's that simple. Why use AT&T Next Up? Next Up is perfect if you always want the latest iPhone or Galaxy the moment it drops. Don't want to wait 2 to 3 years to upgrade. Prefer low upfront costs over buying new devices outright. Example scenario. Let's say you buy a $1,000 phone. Without Next Up, you'd need to pay the full amount over 36 months before upgrading. With Next Up, after paying $500, 50%, you can immediately return the device and get the newest model. It's ideal for tech lovers and early adopters. Things to know about AT&T Next Up. Only available on eligible devices and installment plans. Your old phone must be returned within a certain window, usually within 30 days after paying 50%. Not all customers may qualify depending on credit or account status. To check more details and pricing, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts. AT&T Next Up is a smart choice if you're always chasing the latest tech. You want a predictable monthly bill and flexible upgrade options. You're okay paying a little extra for early access to new devices. Want the newest phone every year? Next Up might be worth it. Thanks for watching Tekzoid. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and check the description for the latest AT&T phone deals and upgrade offers near you. Stay ahead, stay upgraded. Catch you in the next one.